So alcohol and marijuana for me were a depressant. I've always been a happy-go-lucky, motivated. I've had a things to do list since I was 10, right? It was a depressant. Once I got that out of me and I got hungry, it changed. One of the things I tell kids when I speak now is I tell them, find your passion. So why are you here? And I believe once you find why you're here, sky's the limit. And what I'm doing now is I'm giving back. I'm using my gift to tell the youth that you can be anything you want. And drugs and alcohol will deter that. Figure out who you are. Why are you here? So that I want to empower people to empower other people, right? Imagine if we had a world where everybody's empowering people to use their gifts. It'd be different. One thing I learned is I'm a survivor. I am a survivor. I also learned I'm very intelligent. I thought I was stupid my whole life. How false was that? I learned I have gifts. I learned that I can adapt. You got to be a very intelligent person to go from digging out of a garbage can and then 3 years later you have a motivational speaking company and by God's grace you are an honor student and you're traveling across the country telling kids they can be anything you want to do. Obviously I'm not dumb. And I think the environment I grew up in, if you weren't at a certain potential and didn't have a certain GPA, you were stupid. Oh no, I learned I can survive no matter where I'm at, no matter what I put, I can do things. I used to believe my life got better because I got a better degree. I got a better car, I got a better house, I got a better looking girlfriend. My life got better because I became a better person. And what I've learned is you can get more money, you can get more cars, you can't get time back. So what I've learned is to have my validation come from within. My spirituality, my foundation, my spirituality, my healthy physically living, and my healthy soul living. So then everything else that comes is just icing on the cake because that stuff is not lasting. But I enjoy what I'm doing. I love empowering the youth. And I would just tell everybody that's coming in recovery, that's waking up, that just got out of a treatment, or it's waking up on their way to treatment that don't know. Hear me and hear me well. Don't look back. You're not going that way. You can be anything you want. Don't let nobody tell you different.